Listen to part of a conversation at a university library.
Hi, may I speak to the archives librarian?
I'm the archives librarian. What can I help you with?
Well, actually, I'm not a student here. I'm studying history at State U across town, but there's a collection.
Wait. Are you the, sorry, I don't remember your name, but the librarian over there asked me about giving someone access to the Jacobson collection. Is that you?
Yes, that's right. See, my paper is on the development of the coal mining industry here in the city, and the Jacobson collection has a lot of information about John Jacobson, like when he founded the company and things, right?
Yes, it does. More than you'll be able to fit into a paper, I'd bet. Did your librarian explain what our system is here?
Well, a little. She told me to make sure I brought my college ID so I could get in the door.
Yes, we'll need to take a copy of it too. Even our own students who look at items from our archive collections have to leave a copy of their ID with us. You'll also have to sign into the archives room whenever you enter and sign out whenever you leave. There's a desk, for security.
Wow, so a lot of this stuff is valuable?
Well, I don't know whether you'd get much money for it, but a lot of it is one of a kind. So if it were taken, that's it. It would be gone.
I'll be careful.
Thank you. The other thing is, the things in the Jacobson collection are over 100 years old, so I'll have to ask you to wear special gloves while handling the books. And also, I'm afraid you won't be able to photocopy anything.
Nah, I figured that. I can get everything I need on note cards, but suppose there's a page or two I really want a copy of. Can I don't know, take a picture or something?
Well, I can't let you take a picture, but we have scans, images of all the pages in the collection. You can buy a print of any page you want, but they're expensive, $5 a piece. So be sure you know which pages you want before you ask for them.
$5? Well, I guess given how rare these things are. Okay, so you want a copy of my ID, and then can you tell me how to get to the archives room so I can get started?
What does the student plan to write her paper on? What security procedures does the librarian tell the student she must follow? Click on 2 answers. Why does the librarian say the archives need to be kept secure? Why did the librarian mention the age of the books? Listen again to part of the conversation, then answer the question.
Well, I can't let you take a picture, but we have scans, images of all the pages in the collection. You can buy a print of any page you want, but they're expensive, $5 a piece. So be sure you know which pages you want before you ask for them.
$5? Well, I guess given how rare these things are. Okay.
What did the student mean by this?
Well, I guess given how rare these things are.